Good day, everyone. So today we will be checking this, what I bought from the Lazada. So this is a jump starter to jumpstart a car whenever the battery in the cars does not ignite, does not help to start a car. And we need a jump starter. So not only is this a jump starter, but it is also a power supply. Okay, so let's open this one. It can also be used as a power source for an emergency, like a power source for, USB type chargers for your cell phone, or mini fans, or power source to just any type of accessories. Okay, so as you can see here, there is a power button here. When you press that, so it lights the one in the middle. And if I press it again, it switch off. Okay, if I press it again, it will light up. And I want to light this two bulbs here. Okay, so I press it once, and it flicker. I press it twice, and it went like that. What about pressing it again? Switch off. Okay, so let's see how to... Okay, if I press twice, then the red and the blue light appears. Okay, let's see. If I press it twice, then it switch off. Okay, we can also use this as our charger for cell phone. So we have here, okay, the USB type charger used to connect here. Okay, so if we plug there, then we can charge our iPhone. So this is a charger for the iPhone. And then the other one is for Type-C. And we also have this type charger. Okay, so much with that. So this is being used to jumpstart. The red one is for positive. So this is where you plug that to the car. Okay. So make sure that all four of these grip means to say it's fully charged. Because you can only use to jumpstart the car once, but after that, this cannot be used again. There's only 3 bars here, means to say you cannot jumpstart. It needs to be full to jumpstart. Okay, so this goes to the positive. The red one is for the positive, and the black one is for the negative of the car battery. Okay, next is this one low, but you can charge this one to a whirl lighter outlet in the car. So this is where you plug it. Okay. And the other one, this one, it is where you plug it to electric outlet in your home. So this is where you plug it. Okay. So that's it for today. Have I tested this? Yes. I tested this jump starter. Unfortunately, it did not jumpstart my car, and I don't know why. I followed all the instructions here in this manual, but still, it doesn't jumpstart. I asked for a refund from the Lazada, but they cannot refund. I need to follow the guidelines they want me to do, but I just said, it's okay, I would just use this as some other power source. I will just use as a power bank to my cell phone or any accessories like mini fans. I'd almost forgot. It also came with this direction here, the north, the south, the west, and the east. Okay, so if you have any comments and suggestions, please comment down below. If you like this video, please click the like, and if you want notifications, the same videos like this, click on the notification bell icon. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.